On, it's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my Eclipse review. I'm here inside of the members area of Eclipse right here, and during this review I'm going to give you a full run through and a demo of exactly what this is and what you can expect. Now, Eclipse, first of all, this is my own product, so I know it inside out. I know exactly what is in here because I created it myself. Eclipse is going to show you basically how you can steal a guru's income. Okay, this is a really nifty kind of a hack method that I discovered back in 2017, and this is something that I was using extensively between 2017 and mid 2018, and I sometimes still use it now. Now, the reason why I was extensively using it back then is because I didn't have an email list back then, right? Now, currently I do have an email list, and that's what I rely on now, and it makes me a lot more money. But back in the days, I didn't have an email list, so this is what I was using to generate upwards of $500 per day, okay, with affiliate marketing, selling other people's products. Now, if it sounds like something that you're interested in, then stick with me during this review because I'll be breaking it down. I've also put together a bonus package for those of you like to pick this up via my link, which is going to be down below in the description of this YouTube video. Now, if you click on that link, you're going to come through to this page right here. This is my bonus page for Eclipse. And if you'd like to buy Eclipse at any time during this video, all you need to do, first of all, click on the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page here, scroll down, click on any of these yellow buttons. That's going to bring you through to the sales page, which looks like this, where you can go ahead and you can purchase Eclipse. You'll need to do that, however, before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it hits 0, my bonus page will expire, so will all my bonuses. That is something I don't want you to miss out on, because I've put a lot of effort into creating additional tutorials for those of you that would like to pick up Eclipse via my link that I know are going to help you out, and these are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart from mine. Now, with that said, feel free to shop around, okay, see what other people are offering in terms of bonuses for Eclipse, because remember, you can always come back to this bonus page via the link down below in the description of this YouTube video once you realize that my bonuses are way better and more useful than what anybody else is going to offer to you for this. Now, my first bonus here, I'm going to give you access to some advanced strategies for the Eclipse method. Now, these are strategies that are not included inside of the training of Eclipse. This is additional stuff that I've put together myself so that you can really benefit from these advanced strategies inside of Eclipse, right? That's bonus number one. Bonus number two, I'm going to show you some additional Eclipse hacks, okay? Again, similar to the advanced strategies, this is additional information that I'm giving to you regarding the Eclipse method. It's going to help you to take it to the next level. Okay, bonus number three, okay, I'm going to give you access to Stealth. Now, Stealth is a product that I launched in March, or was it April? I can't remember. This is kind of similar to the Eclipse method, I guess, except this is using Gmail ads. So again, this is something that I used to use a lot. Before I had my own email list, I was able to use an email list, a virtual email list inside of Gmail ads, because I didn't have an email list yet. So this is going to help you out. If you don't have an email list, if you're just getting started, you probably heard the saying, the money's in the list, the money's in the list, build a list, build a list. Okay, but it's not as easy as it sounds to build a list, right? But this is a virtual email list. This is using Gmail ads. So you can write emails just as you would with an email list, and they're going to show up in random people's inboxes, but via Gmail ads, okay? So it's really powerful. Okay, so you're going to get access to Eclipse as well. You're going to get access to Stealth as well. And I'm also going to give you access to the Fuego Breakout, which is another product that I launched, when was it? The end of November 2018. So it's still relatively new. This focuses more on the traffic aspect and the pixel aspect. So this is where you're going to get a ton of traffic from inside of here. I'm also going to give you all the bonuses that I've promised inside of the members area on top of that as well. So to claim these bonuses 100% free of charge, okay, all you need to do, first of all, is click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, come through to my bonus page here, scroll down, click on any of these yellow buttons to go through to the sales page, which looks like this, and go ahead and purchase Eclipse. Now, as soon as you've done that, you would simply need to go into the members area of Eclipse, and because I've set this funnel up a certain way, those of you that buy via my link, you're going to get access to the bonuses inside of the members area. So you won't even need to go through to Warrior Plus and fill in your details to claim your bonuses. They're already added to the members area if you buy via my link. Okay, this is a separate members area for people that buy via my link. They're going to be inside there. Okay, so if you click on the link down below and you come through to my bonus page here and you scroll down, you click on any of these yellow buttons, you will come through to this sales page here. Now, this has nothing to do with launch jacking. It's never been shown before. Very true. Now, similar to launch jacking, okay, but you don't have to make your own videos. You don't have to make a review video. You don't have to rank it on YouTube using all these ranking stuff and softwares. It's not launch jacking, okay, so don't worry, right? The headline here, they lied to you, it's payback. Hijack the guru's traffic in 30 seconds and turn it into passive income. Never before seen, no monthly fees, 24/7, 365 days a year income. That's exactly what this is. Like I said, this is something I used extensively 2017 to mid 2018. I'm still using it right now sometimes. So check out, I mean, even if you don't want to buy Eclipse, right? Even if you're not interested, come to this sales page and check out this sales video. This is a video that I spent a week filming in Canada, okay? I went over to Canada to see Brendan a couple of weeks ago. I flew all the way over there with all my video equipment, all my lenses and everything. 21-hour flight, okay? Went to Canada, spent about 3 or 4 days filming this with Brendan, and then another week actually editing it. So I've put a ton of work into this sales video here, so go and check it out. It's pretty funny, okay? It's basically a short movie that details this guru who doesn't want us to release this Eclipse method because he knows that we're going to be stealing his income, okay? So why you need to get Eclipse right now, it's newbie friendly, there's a make money today, absolutely, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. It's 100% legal theft, okay? Now, these gurus, okay, they have these big YouTube channels where they're churning out videos that, again, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. What you're going to be doing, because they're actually promoting something in these videos that they make, right? What you're going to do is you're going to put a very simple video ad over the top of their videos, okay? And inside Eclipse, I show you exactly how to target those specific channels, exactly how to target those specific videos so that your ads are 100%, 1000% relevant to the stuff that they're selling, except you steal the sale before these people even watch their video. Your video ad's going to come up. So this is the guru guy right here. This is actually Brendan's dad. He's a professional actor. And yeah, come and check out this sales page in your own time. You're going to see some earnings proof from myself. You're going to see some testimonials. It's a really cool sales page that we've taken a lot of time to put together. So come and check that out, and definitely watch this sales video, okay? Whatever you do, it's super funny. Right, so I'm going to jump into the members area now. I'm going to talk to you about what this is about. Now, basically, the method is going to involve you creating these video ads. Don't worry, you don't have to make any videos yourself. You don't have to put your face on camera or your voice on camera. You're going to create these very simple video ads. So if I just open up YouTube and I search for make money online, okay, you could go and find a certain video that's tailored towards a certain product, say on ClickBank, like John Cristani's video here. I know that John Cristani has his own high ticket course. If we click on here, you're going to see an ad.
Hey, I just created a professional Wix.
You see, these ads pop up. Now, this is exactly what you're going to be making inside the Eclipse method. You're going to be making these video ads. They're going to show up on this guru's video before their video even plays, except instead of somebody selling Wix or website creation, which has got nothing to do with making money online, you're going to be putting an ad that has something to do with making money online. So people are going to click on your ad, they're going to go through to this product that makes money online, or a review video, or an offer, and they're going to buy that offer via your link. Now, the guru has done all the work here. They're emailing their email list, they're sending their email list to this video, and you're putting your video on top of their video before they get to watch that guru's video. So you're getting all this exposure from their email list, which is super cool, and this works so well. So that's basically what it does. Inside the members area, I give you an overview about what Eclipse is, okay? I give you the required tools that you need. I give you easy training, okay? There's 3 different difficulty levels of training in here. You can see there's easy, intermediate, and also advanced. So the more advanced we get, the more kind of difficult it is. Basically, the first easy method, I'm going to show you how you can use other people's videos to promote evergreen products on ClickBank. So you'd go and make these video ads, and they're gonna start making you money pretty much straight away in whatever niche you want to use them in, right? The intermediate section here, okay, this is going to be more towards products and softwares that are launching on JVZoo and Warrior Plus, but I show you how to use their demo video as your video ad, which is also a good strategy to use if you don't want to put your face on camera and make your own videos. In the advanced training, okay, I go into detail about making a review video, about how to target the gurus' YouTube channels that are also making review videos about the same product, okay? So you go and make a short teaser video basically saying my review's better than this person's review, my bonuses are better as well, so you better click on this ad to go and watch my review video and check out my awesome bonuses. So obviously they're going to do that, they're going to go through to your bonus page, they're going to check out your bonuses, and they're going to ultimately buy via your links. So that's a more advanced thing, and I also show you how to integrate this with Facebook bots, and also integrate it with building an email list at the same time. So that's why it's the advanced method. This is the method that I use, but like I said, there's 3 different difficulty levels in there which you can choose to use if you want, if you're not comfortable with making your own videos. But the method itself is super good. The ads work really well. You know, YouTube is a very warm source of traffic, and that traffic converts really well on whatever you want to sell, right? So as far as the prices and the upsells are concerned, the front end, everything that I just showed you inside this members area is going to cost you $12.95. Now remember, you're also going to get access to all my bonuses for that price, so it's a no-brainer. Upsell number 1 is going to be the done for you. Now this is going to be $197, not $37, right? Now what this is I'm going to give you access to all of my campaigns moving forward for the next 365 days. So the members area of this upsell, it's going to get you to give me your email address, and then every time I do a new promotion, I'm going to send you a bonus page just like this one that I've given to you, that you're seeing right now. Okay, I'm also going to give you my review video that you can use. I'm going to give you video ads that you can use as your video ads. I'm also going to give you done for you emails, so you can use my emails as examples of what you can write. You can even just go and copy and paste them straight off, but you need to change my name, right? You can't use my name. But yeah, that's basically what it is. And I do promotions probably twice a week. So you're going to be getting 2 promotions, an average of 2 promotions per week for the next year, which means you don't need to create any bonus pages ever. You can just go and use mine. It's going to save you so much time, right? So that's going to be $197. Upsell number 2 is steal our $3.8 million list. Basically what this is, it allows you to put your tracking pixels on mine and Brendan's sales pages. Now every time me and Brendan do a launch, we get tens of thousands of people hitting our sales pages. With your pixel on that sales page, your pixel, you get to gather all the data of all those tens of thousands of people, which means when you go to do the Eclipse method or you do anything with AdWords, it's going to bring your ad spend right down to below 10 cents per click, which means that your profit margin goes way up and you make a lot more money. And all of these visitors are super targeted, so they're red hot, they're ready to buy, and they're going to be part of your virtual list, right? Upsell number 3 is a $1,000 daily hack. For this, we're going to give you access to sell mine and Brendan's high ticket course, which is called Project Profit Academy. We're going to set you up with 50% commissions, which means each time you sell one, you're going to get $1,000, right? And you can use the stealth method to do this. We're going to give you the video ads and everything that you need to be able to use this, right? Upsell number 4 is the Eclipse Outsourcer. Now inside the front end, I show you how to research and find these gurus' channels that you're going to be targeting, but that is manual work. You have to do the research on your own. It could take you 5 or 6 hours to compile a list of targeted channels that you can use. So what I've done for you inside of Upsell number 4 is I've given you over 40 channels that you can use to target for your video ads, right? This is going to save you a lot of time. This is $77, and license rights finally is going to be $167, which means that you can send your traffic to this very sales page here, and you get to keep 100% commissions from all of these price points. So there's a lot of money to be made from buying these license rights like this, okay? So I hope you will take action on this. I hope you'll pick up Eclipse. It's a great method. Like I said, this is something that I've been extensively using since 2017. I've been able to make upwards of $500 per day just using this method alone before I had an email list. It's perfect for newbies. If you want to pick it up, check out the link down below in the description and claim all of my bonuses completely free of charge as well. Thanks for watching my Eclipse review. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.